In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get List ID on ClickUp. We'll walk through where to go in your workspace, how to open the right view, and exactly where to copy the ID and the shareable link. Then we'll quickly test that link in a new tab so you know it works. Start by opening ClickUp and heading to the overview of your team space. From there, go into your workspace. In the left-hand sidebar, you'll see your spaces and the tasks that live inside them. Make sure you're looking at the area where the list you need is located. If you work across multiple spaces, double-check you're in the correct one before moving on. Switch to the List view by clicking List at the top. This view lays out your tasks in rows, which makes selecting the right item straightforward. If you don't see List at first, you're probably in another view, like Board or Calendar. Just switch back to List. Find the relevant task in that list and hover over it to highlight the row. Then click the task to open its details. Depending on your settings, the task may open in a side panel or in a full window. Either way is fine. In the task window, look for the three-dot icon, the ellipsis, usually in the top right corner. Click it, and a menu will pop up with several options. At the very top, choose Copy ID. That copies the unique identifier to your clipboard instantly. You won't see much change on screen, so a quick way to confirm is to paste it into a note or message. This ID is what you'll reference in automations, integrations, or when sharing precise context with your team. Next, in that same menu, click Copy Link. This grabs a direct URL to the task inside your list. It's perfect for sharing in chat, emails, or documentation. Keep in mind that workspace permissions still apply. Only people with access will be